Now we are going to take a step back here for a second because we want to make sure that we give you a beginner tutorial of how to use this tool and what it means. So first of all, chart patterns are classical tools in technical analysis. These patterns have been observed time and time again. They've been studied, and they are the study of price history and pattern recognition. The reason why these patterns are important in the first place is because people just like you and I are trading all these symbols, and oftentimes similar patterns occur amongst us. So in this example, what we're going to do is show you how this works. We're going to go back to about May 3rd here. Let's go to May 1st. And now we're back on May 1st, and pretend we are thinking of trading this stock. We've just observed it, and we're going to do some technical research on this, trying to find where the support might be, where the sellers or buyers are. And we first start with a trend line because we observe that